I'm taking Jack off on his first ever foodie adventure in search of something that we've really stopped eating, a rook.
Rook pie is an Old English classic, but today it's almost entirely forgotten. That's a shame because thousands of rooks are shot every spring. They've become a real pest, damaging crops and stealing other birds' eggs.
You're not scared about going in the woodlands?
No.
You look like an action man like that.
We'll be shooting with gamekeeper Dave Whitby, an old mate of mine who's got a problem with rooks on his land.
David.
Welcome, good to see you, mate, good to see you.
First time ever shooting a gun, yes?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Do you want to go back and call Mummy?
No.
No, let's go, buddy. Pound. I bet you missed. Yes? I bet you missed.
That's enough. When you think you're in line, reach forward and pull the trigger.
Yeah, good shot. First time round. Good shot, you got the target.
Are you ready for another? One more?
Yeah.
Take careful aim. When you're ready.
Way!
What was the bet?
No, that's £2 I owe you. Oh, no.
Jack's a chip off the old block, but today it'll be me shooting the rooks. We're heading into the woods where the birds nest. The traditional way to cull rooks is to shoot the young as they leave their nests.
OK, buddy, load me up, please. Oh, give me 5. Don't miss, Dad.
Don't miss, Dad!
Don't scare them. Bloody hell. Jack. There's one through there, look. Oh, just up through there. Safe to catch off.
Yeah.
You got a leaf instead.
Damn.
Right, see if you can spot me, Jack.
I think I can see one.
Where?
That black... There!
OK, good man.
Good man. Excellent. Good shot.
Thanks, buddy.
See if we can spot another one.
See there?
Good shot.
Wow.
There's not much meat on a rook, so we'll need at least 6 to feed the 3 of us.
How exciting is this, buddy?
There!
Right.
Good. One just landed through here, mate. Good shot. Good. Excellent.
Now can we go and get them? Yeah, there's one.
Go and get it then, quickly. Go and get it.
Jack may not be old enough to hunt for real, but he makes a damn good gun dog.
Well done, Jack. Here, pass it to me,
Oh,
mate.
it's got blood on its feet.
Yeah, of course it's going to have blood on there. Let's go. Stop acting like a girl. You know, warm it is. Come here. Huh? Amazing. Huh?
Is there
Quite
any
clean
more?
shots, aren't they?
Yeah, that's mate. Well done.
Good man.
I've never eaten rook before, so I have no idea what it tastes like. But with a little TLC, we can bring this forgotten food back to people's plates.
Now I want you to pull the skin back from me and rip off the breast, please.
Quick as that, isn't it?
Huh?
I mean,
Yeah.
But listen, mate, you're doing a great job there. You know that, huh?
That's his liver. Yeah, we could eat that as well. Look, and there's its heart there, look.
Turn it upside down. That's it, on his breast. Now from there, look, watch. Turn it round.
And then we're just going to take the breast off there.
Okay. There we go. See?
Yeah.
Not that small a breast, is it? Huh?